How to add subscriptions to Shopify store. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your monthly recurring revenue on Shopify by adding subscriptions. So to get started, you need to go to your web browser. Here, search for Shopify. Then open the Shopify's official website. Once you're in, click on Login from your top right corner. Select your profile and store to complete the login process. After that, click on Settings from the bottom left corner. You can access all these options from your Shopify dashboard. Scroll down and click on Apps and Sales Channels as we need to add the subscriptions. Here, click on the Shopify App Store button. It will redirect you to this page. Now, in the search bar, search for subscription. You'll have several third-party apps from the results. Now click on this AppSole application. It is a highly recommended app. It has a good rating and a lot of downloads. Here, click on Add App in order to connect this app with your store. After that, click on the Install App button from the top right corner of your screen. Wait for it to create a link. Once it is done, you can see this app in your Shopify dashboard. Now click on Update Payment Gateway. It will take you to the Payments option. Now close this tab and go to the home page. Go to the search bar and click on the AppSole app. Again, click on it to open the details. Now click on Exit Onboarding. Then select Go to Dashboard. Now you need to select a pricing plan to continue. You can have a free plan, but you can also check a 10-day free trial for other plans. Click on Activate right below the free plan. Once you activate your plan, the interface is going to look something like this. You can see your subscription settings on the left side of the screen. Click on Subscriptions. You can now use these basic tools to start implementing the subscriptions. The app will give the options to export the pre-existing subscriptions or create your own one. To create your own, click on Create Manual Subscriptions. After that, you can start what type of subscriptions you want for your store, and you can customize it according to your need. So this is how you can add subscriptions to your Shopify store.